Musado Lebanarigi, the UN Resident Coordinator, Mr. Dirk Wagner, my fellow speakers, distinguished guests, youth participants, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to be standing before you today as the Minister for Youth and Sports, particularly on this significant occasion, the 2023 International Youth Day. This year, we celebrate the theme of green skills for youth towards a sustainable world, which coincides with the 75th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Today, as we gather here to celebrate the International Youth Day, it is important to reflect upon the principles enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the historic documents adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948. Throughout its existence, serves as a catalyst for driving environmental human rights action. It has provided a guiding light, emphasizing the fundamental right of every individual to live in a healthy environment conducive to supporting their physical, mental, and social well-being. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights recognizes that sustainable development and environmental stewardship play an indispensable role in achieving and maintaining this right. As we gather here today, young people are indeed the backbone of our society, and their involvement in addressing environmental challenges is pivotal. We must empower them with the necessary knowledge, tools, and skills to become change makers, driving sustainable development and championing environmental conservation. By enabling our youth to acquire green skills, we equip them to contribute meaningfully to the preservation of our planet. These green skills encompass a wide range of abilities, including sustainable agriculture, renewable energy, waste management, ecotourism, and conservation practices. It is through practical training, education, and mentorship that we can ensure our young people have the expertise to mitigate environmental challenges and create a sustainable future. However, let us not underestimate the importance of collaboration and engagement. To effectively address complex environmental issues, we must foster partnerships between the government, civil society organizations, the private sector, and our youth. Together, we can shape policies, implement projects, and harness innovation to achieve our green objectives. We must affirm our commitment to sustainable development by investing in green infrastructure, promoting renewable energy solutions, and incentivizing sustainable practices. By doing so, we create employment opportunities for our youth in green sectors, building a sustainable pathway for future generations. The government of Fiji is committed to championing the development of green skills among our young people. As youth of today, we carry the torch of progress and change. We are the voices of tomorrow, and it is our duty to champion the principles outlined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Through your Ministry of Youth and Sports, we have a few initiatives that focus on environmental education, vocational training, in green sectors such as Youth Coast Care Program, tree planting, and organic agriculture training. These programs will not only equip our youth with the necessary skills, but also foster a sense of responsibility towards our environment. We have the power to shape the future and drive positive change. Let us be the catalyst for change, and let our actions today shape a better tomorrow for generations to come. In conclusion, let us celebrate the International Youth Day by recognizing the instrumental role of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights as a catalyst for environmental human rights action. Let us emphasize the fundamental right of every individual to live in a healthy environment, one that supports their physical, mental, and social well-being. As we empower our youth with green skills, we empower them to create a sustainable future. Let us recognize and appreciate the pivotal role of young people in driving sustainable development and addressing environmental challenges. Together, let us build a better, greener, and more sustainable world for ourselves, for future generations as well. And thank you very much.